Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. Today, we will take you to the world of handmade olive oil soap production at a Turkish factory. Join us on this incredible journey, and as a soap enthusiast, you're in for a truly amazing experience from start to finish. With a technique that stood the test of time for over 150 years, this artisanal process continues to produce millions of soap bars. Let's discover how they keep the magic alive in this old-school way of soap making.
Emin Yavuz ben. Gaziantep'imizin Nizip ilçesine hoş geldiniz. Gaziantep'imizin Nizip ilçesinde geleneksel olarak uzun yıllardan belli yapılmış olan zeytinyağlı sabuna bugün tanıtmaktayız.
Before we dive into the details of the process, let's take a moment to appreciate the rich history of handmade olive oil soap. Centuries ago in the Mediterranean, people discovered the magic of turning olive oil, alkaline ash, and water into handmade olive oil soap, which passed down through generations and became a household staple for its purity.
Tarlalardan zeytinyağını toplarız. Topladıktan sonra fabrikalara götürürüz. Fabrikalarda zeytinyağı çekilir. Çekildikten sonra bir posası oluşur. Bunu da pirne yağı diye adlandırırız. Bu pirne yağları fabrikalara gelir, işlenir, bize yağ çıkar, sabunluk yağ çıkar. Diğer kalan kısmı da pirne odunudur. Odun olarak yakılır, devam eder.
Now, let us step into a Turkish factory where time-honored tradition meets craftsmanship. The art of olive oil soap mixture making comes alive through top-quality ingredients, patient techniques, and cherished tools passed down through generations. The carefully selected olives make their way to the factory, where their oil is processed further to form a paste. Be careful, it can be hot, up to 48 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, the mixture is evened out with a double-sided T-shaped comb tied with a rope to ensure that the mixture is 2.4 inches deep. Workers manually guide the rope across the floor by controlling the tension and direction of the rope to ensure that the soap mixture spreads uniformly across the prepared floor. It's a hands-on process that requires skill and attention to detail. Before pouring the liquid soap mixture onto the floor, a substance called saponification paste, or soap paste, which is often spread on the floor, is essentially the partially processed mixture of olive oil, alkaline ash, and water that has undergone the initial stages of saponification. The purpose of spreading the saponification paste on the floor is to create a surface that aids in drying and curing the soap. The paste helps maintain an even layer of the soap mixture to avoid liquid sticking from cemented ground, allowing it to solidify uniformly. This step is crucial in achieving the desired texture, consistency, and quality of the final olive oil soap bars. The goal is to create a consistent thickness of the soap mixture on the floor. This even spread is crucial for the subsequent stages of drying and curing, allowing the soap to solidify uniformly. With the soap now solidified, the workers again shape the surface with T-shaped combs to smooth it out, but nothing goes to waste. They are used in the next round. The mixture is then left to solidify for an estimated time of 48 hours, transforming into a slab of soap with the rich essence of olive oil. Once the soap has solidified, skilled artisans armed with special cutting tools, each designed for precision, are used to cut the soap slab into individual bars of uniform slices. After the soap bars are cut, artisans use custom stamps with distinctive designs or logos. Placing the stamp on the soap, they gently strike it with a hammer, imprinting the design onto the bar. This manual process adds an artistic and personalized touch to each soap. Following the meticulous cutting of olive oil soap bars, skilled workers step in to handle the delicate transition to the piling and packing stages. With precision, they manually pick up each soap bar, ensuring the imprinted designs and quality remain intact. These artisans then artfully arrange the soap bars, showcasing the craftsmanship inherent in each bar.
...11. 4. aylardan sonra yapılmamasının tek sebebi hava sıcaklığının fazla olması, sabunun donmaması olacaktır. Zeytinyağının donuşu zayıf olduğu için bizler zeytinyağlı sabunu 11. aydan 4. ay arasında yaparız. 4. aydan da 8. 9. aya kadar kurutma süremiz vardır. Bir 6-7 aylık. Ondan sonra da kuruduktan sonra da bakar, bütün tahlillerini yaptıktan sonra paketler müşteriye hazır hale getiririz.
The packing process involves a careful placement of wrapping each bar in eco-friendly materials, preserving integrity and adding an aesthetic touch. Organized packaging follows, with strategic placement for secure transportation, often accompanied by labels and branding details that convey the soap's unique qualities. This manual approach upholds the artisanal nature of the process, reflecting a steadfast commitment to quality and tradition. In today's market, there's a growing demand for handmade olive oil soap. Consumers increasingly value natural ingredients and sustainable practices. Many people love this soap because it's special. It mixes tradition, skilled craftsmanship, and pure ingredients. It's a top choice for those who want genuine and eco-friendly skincare. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.